Coming out for the first snow blowing session. I think we got robbed. That's all we got overnight. Sounds like it's starting to freezing rain a little bit, so I want to get the driveway cleared. It's kind of windy though, cold. It's not too bad. It's ain't nothing. How do you like my goggles? First snowblowing session, really geez, of the year. It's kind of amazing actually. That wasn't too bad, only took me about 20 to 30 minutes tops to get this thing done. I could barely even tell. Darn it! About halfway through the plow came through, so at least the road's clean, the end is clean. How long does it take you to do your road? Get out there. We're gonna have to come back out in between football games to clear it up. Have a great day, guys.